Welcome to Pure Data Drive. We are running the numbers on the 2026 Volkswagen Taos today. 4 trims, one you should skip entirely and one that is the best value in the compact SUV class under $36,000. Let's find it. The SE Black costs $2,250 more than the SE for $800 worth of features. Volkswagen is counting on you not running this math. 4 trims, we did. Taos runs 4 trims from $26,500 to $35,900. The S, SE, and SE Black come in front-wheel drive with all-wheel drive available. The top SEL comes with 4 MOTION all-wheel drive standard, 1 engine across all trims, a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 158 horsepower. 2026 Taos earns a 4-star overall NHTSA rating in both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. Side crash is 5 stars, frontal is 4, rollover is 4. A 4-star overall is solid for subcompact SUV. Note that this is 4 stars, not 5. Worth knowing before you compare it against the Tiguan or Atlas, which both score 5. IQ.DRIVE is standard on every Taos trim, including the 26,500 base S. That means travel assist for semi-autonomous highway driving, front assist with autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane assist, emergency assist, blind spot monitor, and rear traffic alert. Every trim, 0 upcharge. 0 NHTSA complaints filed for the 2026 Taos. 0 recalls, no open investigations. That is a spotless reliability record. For a compact SUV at this price, 0 complaints and 0 recalls is exceptional. The Taos has nothing negative to report here. Base S at $26,500 is the cheapest way to get IQ.DRIVE travel assist in Volkswagen's lineup. You get adaptive cruise, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and keyless entry. Fuel economy is 28 city, 36 highway, 31 combined. Best MPG of any VW SUV. All-wheel drive is available. What the S does not have is a panoramic sunroof, navigation, or a digital instrument cluster. Those come on the SE at $29,260. The S also lacks wireless charging and dual-zone climate. If any of those features matter to you, the SE adds all of them for only $2,760 more. That math actually works. Stepping up from the S to SE costs $2,760 more. For that, you get a 9.2-inch infotainment upgrade at $300, a digital cockpit pro at $400, navigation at $400, a panoramic sunroof at $900, wireless charging at $200, 18-inch alloy wheels at $300, dual-zone climate control at $200. Total feature value $2,700 against a $2,760 price increase. Net negative of $60, essentially $1 for $1 value. The SE is a smart pick. C to SE Black costs $2,250 more. What do you actually get? R-Line Black exterior styling at $500, black 18-inch alloy wheels at $200, sport body kit at $100. Total feature value $800 against a $2,250 price increase. Net negative of $1,450. This is the worst upgrade in the Taos lineup. Every single addition is purely cosmetic. No new technology, no drivetrain upgrade, no safety features. $2,250 for black paint and a body kit. C Black to SEL costs $4,390 more. You are getting 4 MOTIO and all-wheel drive at $1,800. Harman Kardon 9-speaker audio at $600. Head-up display at $600. A 360-degree area view camera at $500. Heated second-row seats at $400. A power liftgate at $400. 19-inch wheels at $300. Ambient lighting at $200. Total feature value $4,800 against a $4,390 price increase. Net positive of $410. The SEL is the only trim in the Taos lineup where you genuinely get more than you pay for. Wheel drive trims return 28 city, 36 highway, 31 combined. Annual fuel cost is $1,400. The all-wheel drive SEL comes in around 25 city, 30 highway, 27 combined, with a $1,600 annual fuel cost. Over 5 years, choosing front-wheel drive over all-wheel drive saves about $1,000 in fuel. Consider that when deciding between the SE and SEL. The SE Black is the one to skip. At $31,510, you are paying $2,250 more than the SE for gloss black accents, black wheels, and a sport body kit. That is it. No performance upgrade, no technology, no safety features, no drivetrain change. This trim exists for buyers who prioritize aesthetics over value, if that is not you. Skip from SE straight to SEL and get the upgrade that actually makes financial sense. 5 things the Taos does better than expected. 1. 31 mpg combined, best fuel economy of any VW SUV. 2. IQ.DRIVE Travel Assist on the 26,500 base S, the cheapest way into VW semi-autonomous driving. 3. 0 NHTSA complaints and 0 recalls for 2026. 4. The SE upgrade is essentially dollar for dollar value at only negative $60 net. 5. The SEL at $35,900 has a positive net upgrade value plus AWD, Harman Kardon, and a head-up display. The Taos trim's worth buying. The S at $26,500 for the best budget entry with full IQ drive and 31 mpg. Or the SEL at $35,900, the only trim with a positive upgrade value at plus 410 with AWD, Harman Kardon, head-up display, and 360 camera. Skip the SE black entirely, $2,250 more for black paint. Which Taos trim makes sense for you? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe for the full VW Tiguan breakdown coming next.